Yuyao Lifespan Health Technology Company Limited is a subsidiary invested and established by Geneharbor Holding Company in Yuyao in July 2017. The company covers an area of 50.6 mu, construction area of 33,000 square meters, with a total investment of 250 million yuan. The main product is nicotinamide mononucleotide NMN raw material powder and other anti-aging products. The company has passed the ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, FSSC 22000 Food Safety System certification, the United States FDA issued by the GMP-21 Food and Drug, 110 part, 111 part of the certification, HFC Halal certification, and KLBD kosher certification. It is the world's only NMN manufacturer certified by FDA GMP.